Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring 5 amazing countries where you can secure residency or even citizenship by investing in real estate. Let's dive in. First on our list is Portugal. Known for its Golden Visa program, Portugal is one of the most popular destinations for residency by investment. By investing between $280,000 and $500,000 in real estate, you can secure residency and gain access to the Schengen zone. This means hassle-free travel across Europe. Plus, after just 5 years, you can apply for permanent residency or citizenship. Cities like Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve offer a perfect blend of culture and investment potential. Next, we have Spain. With a minimum investment of $500,000 in real estate, Spain's Golden Visa allows you and your family to enjoy life in a country known for its rich history and vibrant culture. The best part? There's no minimum stay requirement for visa renewal. After 10 years, you can even apply for citizenship. Top investment spots include Barcelona, Madrid, and the glamorous Marbella. Third on the list is Greece. If affordability is a priority, Greece's Golden Visa is your answer. With just $250,000, you can secure residency in this stunning country within 2 months. This visa also gives you access to the Schengen zone and is renewable every 5 years as long as you keep your property. Athens, Santorini, and Crete are perfect locations for both personal enjoyment and rental income. Fourth is Turkey, which offers a citizenship by investment program. For a real estate investment of $400,000, you can become a Turkish citizen, no residency required. Enjoy the benefits of dual citizenship and explore cities like Istanbul, Antalya, and Bodrum, which offer great property growth and cultural charm. Finally, let's talk about the United Arab Emirates, Dubai. For AED 750,000, about $204,000, Dubai's property visa offers long-term residency of up to 10 years. The UAE's tax-free environment and family sponsorship options make it a top pick. Popular areas like downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, and Palm Jumeirah provide not only luxury living but also high rental yields. Residency through real estate isn't just about a visa. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether it's Europe's charm, Turkey's strategic benefits, or Dubai's luxury, there's a program tailored just for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.